Checking the carrier or network of your iPhone is pretty simple, so let's dive right in. The first thing you can do is call 611. Head to the phone app, tap on the keypad, just type in 611 and phone, and whoever picks up is going to be the carrier company for the phone. Depending where you are in North America, there can be a whole bunch of different carriers. So hopefully that turns up who your carrier is. That's the easiest method. Well, maybe the second easiest. The easiest one is probably just pulling down from the top right. And here it says Kudo on mine. Yours will have a different one. This can be spoofed, so this isn't 100% accurate. On my phone it is, because I didn't steal my phone or anything like that. So that is my actual carrier. But if you're buying a phone from somebody, they might spoof that. Dialing 611 is going to help you figure out if that's spoofed or not. If neither of those places turn up the carrier or the network, tap on Settings, then tap on Cellular. And here, if we scroll down a little bit, you can see on my phone it says Kudo. On whatever phone you're looking at, it should have the carrier network there. And all this information in here will give you indications of who the carrier and network is. It says Kudo right here for network selection. If I go to carrier services, we see Kudo Web right here and Kudo Services up there. If I go to Cellular Data Network, it shows Kudo right there. So hopefully you can pick up on who the carrier is in this section. If you can't, there's another place you can go. Go back to the main settings area, scroll down a bit, and then tap on General, and then tap on About. If we scroll down, we see a section called Physical SIM. We've got our network right there, our carrier here. We have an IMEI right here. If these things are spoofed somehow, you can copy the IMEI and check that. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. We have, under carrier lock, no SIM restrictions. So I think that means we can take this phone and go to any carrier we want. It's not locked to any specific carrier. The phone that you're looking at might be locked to a specific carrier. And that's one of the reasons we're doing this little exercise. So let's check the IMEI. Tap and hold on it to copy it. Open Safari. Down here in the search bar, search for IMEI check and go. And there's going to be a bunch of different results. Just pick any one. Let's do this one here. Sounds the most legit because the URL is IMEI check. It's very on the nose. Close these ads. Scroll down to here. Paste in our 15-digit IMEI code that we copied. So after I pasted that in, I see there's some missing digits. At the end of my number, I have a 6 and a 7. It did not add those in because there are 2 extra spaces. So I'm going to just tap and hold and clean this number up a bit. I was hoping it would just remove the spaces for me, but clearly it's not that smart. So there's a space right there. Let's delete that. And then there's another space at the beginning right there. Let's delete that. And then we're going to add the 2 numbers, which are a 6 and a 7. Oh boy, if my kids saw that, you know what they'd be saying right now. Although not as much anymore, they say 6-7 is now over, which is great. So once you have the number in there, tap on check, and it's going to go through and check to see who the carrier is for this phone. Here it shows a bunch of phone information. And at some point in here, model region, SIM config, it doesn't show the actual carrier in here, but I'm not on a blacklist, which is nice. It even shows if phones are refurbished or not. So even if you can't find the carrier by thinking of buying a phone, this check gives you pretty good information. AppleCare eligible, valid purchase date, registered device, replaced device, loaner device, refurbished device, blacklist clean. That's pretty cool information. But like I said, it doesn't have the carrier. So you just go back, try a different IMEI checker, and see if that turns up more information. I hope this video helps. If it did, subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video right here, which is going to help you upgrade your iPhone privacy, which everybody should be doing. So make sure you check that out. Keep your phone private and safe, and I'll see you there.